Good morning, Miss Neville's math students. Today we're going to be going over what our schedule will look like this week. I realize that the schedule has been really crazy for the past 3 weeks. Thursdays teaching, some Thursdays not. And so I'm trying my hardest to let you know of the week schedule before and communicate it to you early so you and your parents can adjust your plans. We want to remember that we have a live session today at 8 o'clock or 8:10 for my Science 1 kids, at 8:48 for my Science 2 kids. If you're still struggling with any parts of your Schoology assignments, this is the time to show up, ask those questions, and also take notes if you're still struggling with tracing energy transformations, as we'll be doing that today. Tuesday, class will begin. We'll have a live session. Class will begin at 12:28 for my Science 1 students and 1:06 for my Science 2 students. Wednesday, there's going to be no live session. Wednesday, there is no live sessions. There's also no tutoring sessions on Wednesday. And the energy types and transformations test will be moved up from Friday to Wednesday. So you'll be able to start that test on Wednesday morning, and you'll be able to work on that test from 8:10 on Wednesday morning until 9:26 on Wednesday morning. After that, I'm unpublishing it. So if you've not finished it, you'll have a chance to finish it on Friday. I don't want you working on it for 3 days. I only want you working on it during our science period on Wednesday. Thursday, there will be a live session to make up for Wednesday's no live sessions, where we will be beginning electric circuits. Friday, if you did not finish your test on Wednesday, you will have the entire day Friday to finish it. Let me be clear. You are only allowed to take that test, our Science, Energy Types, and Transformations test, on Wednesday morning during our science class period and Friday all day, okay? If you have any questions, please reach out to me. Let's have a great week, guys.